To get started, open Finotes.com. To register with Finotes, provide email it and click on the Get Started button. A verification email will be sent. Once the registration process is done, go to app.finotes.com to log in. Log in to Finotes account. First step is to connect the app to Finotes. Go to the Add App tab and type the name of the app. Select the relevant platform. Here, let us connect an Android app. Provide the package name of the app and click on the Add Package Name button. That's it. This completes the app creation process. We can invite or add team members to this app using the field on the right side. But hey, we can always do this at a later time. Go to Finotes documentation by typing docs.finotes.com. Integrating Finotes with the app takes less than 10 minutes. Open Android, Kotlin documentation. We have already completed all the prerequisites for the integration. Go to How to Integrate section. First, copy and paste the Maven tag with the repository URL to project level build.gradle file. Finotes has two flavors of Android SDK. One is for production and the other is for apps in development. Development flavor has extra capabilities. Let us integrate both the flavors. Copy and paste the implementation code blocks to the app level build.gradle. Next, add fn.init API to onCreate function of application class. This completes the integration steps. To test the integration, add fn.test API under the init API and run the app in a simulator or physical device. A test issue report will be sent to the Finotes dashboard. This will enable Finotes to track and report crashes and memory-related issues if they occur in the application. Next, let us open iOS, Swift documentation. Make sure to meet all the prerequisites for the integration. In case you need assistance, raise a support ticket from the support section of Finotes dashboard. Go to How to Integrate section. Finotes framework is distributed as a cocoapods library. As with Android, Finotes framework for iOS has two flavors. One is for production and the other is for apps in development. Copy and paste both the lines to pod file and run, pod install. You will be able to import Finotes to your project using Import Finotes Core Swift. Next, add fn.initialize API to app-delegate class. This completes the integration steps. To test the integration, add fn.test API under the initialize API and run the app in a simulator or physical device. A test issue report will be sent to the Finotes dashboard. This will enable Finotes to track and report crashes and memory-related issues if they occur in the application. Let us look at a memory leak issue reported in Finotes dashboard. A ticket is raised with the description memory leak is reported in questions sneak view activity. From this ticket overview screen, developers get additional information on the ticket like the platform from which the ticket is raised, along with the app name, app version code and the status of the ticket. Let us open one to get a detailed view. This view has in-depth information on the ticket, like the first reported time, the last reported time, the severity of the ticket, and so on. Here the whole screen is divided into 3 sections. Center section displays all the issues reported under this ticket. Left section provides an eagle-eye view of the average values of different data points, from all occurrences under this ticket. Right side section provides the detailed information of each occurrence. Here, on detailed analysis of class stack, it is clear that the progress bar manager class is holding the activity object and preventing the garbage collector from removing the object from memory. This section has detailed data points like activity trail, occurrence time of the selected issue, device data, and device state data. Basic integration of Finotes SDK for Android is complete. With Finotes, developers can track API call issues, report low memory warnings, track screen loading delay, report custom exceptions and issues, and even track code-level functions for issues. Let us take a look at how to add API issue tracking capabilities in Android applications. With a single line of code, all the API calls that are executed using retrofit or volley or OK HTTP can be tracked for issues. For retrofit, use the custom OK HTTP 3 client provided by Finotes and add it to your retrofit builder using .client API. If OK HTTP is directly used to make API calls, then wrap the existing OK HTTP builder to the custom OK HTTP 3 builder provided by Finotes. This enables Finotes SDK to track and report API call issues in Android applications. Let us take a look at how to enable API issue tracking capabilities in iOS applications. Finotes is able to report API issues with Alamo Fire and AF networking frameworks. In case of Alamo Fire and AF networking, all the developer need to do is set custom protocols using the fn.get protocol API provided by Finotes. Along with this, Finotes framework provides fn.onNetworkCall completed API to explicitly report issues with API calls in iOS applications. This is an API issue reported by an iOS application to Finotes dashboard. As with the memory leak issue report shown previously, the whole screen is divided into 3 sections. Center section displays all the issues reported under this ticket. Left section provides an eagle-eye view of the average values of different data points, from all occurrences under this ticket. Right side section provides the detailed information of each occurrence. This section has detailed data points like textual description of the issue, network parameters with status code, request body, request response headers. Data points like activity trail, occurrence time of the selected issue, device data and device state data will be tagged along with the issue report. It is clear from the issue report that a 500 status code was returned from the server. This can happen because of wrong JSON data sent to the API in the request body. With such detailed issue report, developers can find and fix issues fast. This concludes the demo video of Finotes. Hope you enjoyed the video.